Welcome H.S.C. English First Paper Question -5 Fill in the gaps. Diaspora is an age-old In recent times, Rohingya has attracted a lot of attention. More than 1 million Rohingyas have from Myanmar to Bangladesh. Their migration is due to the adverse conditions in Rakhine state of Myanmar, the ancestral homeland of the Rohingyas. The government of Bangladesh has this huge number of refugees on humanitarian but these people are a huge on our economy and on our The world community should extend their full support to the Rohingyas so that they can return to their homeland. Diaspora is an age-old matter, phenomenon. In recent times, Rohingya diaspora has attracted a lot of attention. More than 1 million Rohingyas have fled, migrated from Myanmar to Bangladesh. Their migration is due to the adverse conditions in Rakhine state of Myanmar, the ancestral homeland of the Rohingyas. The government of Bangladesh has accepted this huge number of refugees on humanitarian ground. But these people are a huge burden on our economy and on our environment. The world community should extend their full support to the migrated Rohingyas so that they can safely, easily return to their homeland. Answer: issue, matter, phenomenon. Diaspora. Fled, migrated. Due, accepted. Ground. Burden. Environment. Migrated. Safely, easily. Thanks for watching.